Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Carado T338S, a motorhome designed to combine smart layout, efficient space usage, and everyday usability into one well-balanced travel experience. In this video, we'll explore its exterior design, interior layout, kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and what it actually feels like to travel in it. From the outside, the T338S presents a clean and modern low-profile design. Its proportions are well-balanced, long enough to provide a comfortable interior, yet compact enough to remain manageable on the road. This balance makes a real difference during travel. It's easier to handle in tighter spaces, more comfortable to drive over long distances, and less intimidating for those who prefer a more controlled driving experience. The design itself focuses on simplicity and functionality. Clean lines, practical access points, and thoughtfully placed windows all contribute to a refined and purposeful exterior. Storage compartments along the sides provide space for travel gear and outdoor essentials. The main entry door is positioned for easy access, making everyday use simple and convenient. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels open and well-structured. The layout is designed to create a natural flow between the different areas of the motorhome. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to form part of a comfortable lounge area. This creates a functional space for relaxing, dining, or spending time indoors. The seating arrangement feels spacious enough for daily use. Without overwhelming the interior, the dining table is centrally placed. Offering a practical surface for meals or work, large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel brighter and more open during the day. In the evening, ambient lighting creates a warm and comfortable atmosphere. Everything feels balanced and easy to use. Moving into the kitchen, the focus is clearly on practicality. The countertop provides a good amount of space for meal preparation, allowing you to cook more comfortably while traveling. You get a well-integrated cooking area with a stove and sink. Positioned for efficiency, storage is one of the strong points here. Multiple drawers and cabinets provide space for utensils, groceries, and everyday kitchen essentials. Everything is arranged logically, making the kitchen easy to use without unnecessary movement. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your trips. This is a kitchen designed for real cooking, not just occasional use. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed to provide both comfort and flexibility. The layout typically features twin beds, allowing easy access without disturbing the other person. This setup is practical and comfortable for daily use. The mattresses are supportive, ensuring a good night's rest after a long day. There's also the option to convert the beds into a larger sleeping area if needed. Storage is integrated around the sleeping space, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments. This keeps everything organized and easily accessible. The bathroom in the T338S is designed with usability in mind. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a separate shower area. The separation is a key advantage. It allows for a more comfortable experience and better use of space during daily routines. Everything is positioned thoughtfully, ensuring accessibility without feeling cramped. Storage compartments provide space for toiletries and personal items. Having a bathroom like this on board adds a strong level of independence. It allows you to travel without relying heavily on external facilities. What makes the T338S stand out is how naturally it fits into real travel situations. It offers enough space to move comfortably, enough storage to stay organized, and a layout that simplifies everyday routines. Everything feels easy to use and well thought out. Whether it's a short getaway or a longer journey, the experience feels smooth and manageable. The Carado T338S is built around balance. It offers the space you need without becoming difficult to manage. And that balance is what makes it practical, comfortable, and suitable for real-world travel. The Carado T338S delivers a well-rounded motorhome experience, combining smart design, comfortable living space, and everyday usability. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.